Albert Einstein once said, "Creativity is intelligence having fun." But how does that relate to arts integration? Well, arts integration is an approach to teaching in which students construct and demonstrate understanding through an art form. Students engage in a creative process which connects an art form in another subject area and meets evolving objectives in both. So, arts integration makes learning fun. As I walked into my kindergarten classroom with a friendly welcome from my teacher, I saw the walls covered in color and creativity and thought to myself, if this is school, this is going to be fun. In kindergarten and continuing throughout elementary school, we used a lot of art and music to help us learn. We would use the paints to learn different colors and create what we imagined things to look like. We also used musical instruments as we sang our educational songs, which helped us learn our letters, numbers, and other parts of our curriculum. We used dancing as part of learning how our bodies moved, which continued on to middle school. Once we were in middle school, we did choir, which helped us gain our confidence presenting in front of large crowds. We also continued to use arts throughout our learning, constantly bringing our creative thoughts to life. I personally am not very artistic, but always enjoyed being able to get away from the pen and paper style learning. Science always seemed to be a very art-integrated subject at my school. One specific project I remembered was creating the Earth's layers using edible ingredients. In order to complete this project, you had to fully understand the different layers and their physical features. I always enjoyed putting my knowledge into projects I could share with the class. Another fun opportunity my school offered was being a part of the high school plays. I was a part of the Cinderella play, being one of the mice. Speaking of high school, once I entered high school, there were a lot of different art-related elective classes I could take. I was a part of the school band and took a photography class. In photography, we used it to learn about different parts of photos and what makes each one unique. I enjoyed using my knowledge of colors, shapes, and balance to capture the best shot for each photography assignment. Now, as a high school graduate and a current college student, I have flipped roles and learned how I can integrate art in my future classroom. Now, looking back, I realize how much I appreciated art integrated into my classroom curriculum. I hope that one day I can do the same for my future students.